If you're looking for an automatic watch that combines a classic luxury look with serious diving and GMT functionality, this Sugess S420 GMT is definitely worth checking out. This watch features a Peacock SL3032 automatic mechanical movement, so there's no need for a traditional battery. The automatic movement winds itself as you wear the watch, giving it that classic mechanical watch experience. One of the biggest highlights is the 20-bar water resistance, making it designed for demanding water activities. Just make sure the water resistance rating and seals are properly maintained before taking any watch diving. You also get a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal protecting the dial. Sapphire is a great choice for everyday wear because it's much more resistant to scratches than standard mineral glass. The design itself is really impressive. It has a stainless steel case, a premium Jubilee-style bracelet, and a ceramic bezel that gives the watch a more refined and sporty appearance. And of course, this isn't just a standard diving watch. The S420 GMT also offers GMT and multiple time zone functionality, which can be especially useful if you travel frequently or need to keep track of another time zone. The watch also features a complete calendar, automatic self-winding movement, and a folding clasp with a safety mechanism for added security on the wrist. The case has a thickness of around 13 millimeters, giving it a substantial presence without looking overly bulky. And with the 20 to 24 millimeter band sizing, it has that classic sports watch profile. The current listed price is around $257.59, compared to the listed original price of $634, although prices can change depending on the seller and promotions. If you want to check the latest price or specifications, click the link in the description below to buy. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech, gadgets, watches, and interesting products.